Yeah, came at 17. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Till today, I learned about writing CSV file or reading CSV file, how to work with CSV file using pandas. Yesterday, I learned about how to save our CSV file using 2CSV. Uh, 2CSV, I think it is a function, I don't know. And in 2CSV, we can uh, remove indexes as well. And today, the main aim is to merge data frames, like how we can merge data frames, various data frames. So first let us start by creating one Python notebook. Mhm. Mhm. So let us first, as simple as import pandas as pd. It takes time, but before that let us rename merge. Yep. So we have imported data frames. Now suppose I create one data frame. Let us create one data frame. df1 is equals to pd dot, come on, data frame, and what we should add, okay, hmm, comma, really sorry, okay, now, yep, let us add one more. How many we have add? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 5 numbers we are adding, okay, and one more, let us add one more row. I don't know what it takes. Come on. I think we are missing out on something. What? Now shift enter and df1. Okay. So we have created one df1, and same let us create df2, and let's just add few random numbers and let this okay, I think we should add one columns as well, comma, wait a minute, what is happening here, I don't know. Okay, so let us add comma. Now columns is equals to hmm, how to add, wait a minute, let me just check how can we add columns. So we have to get it inside a list. Okay. Now we are fine. And okay, we have got what you can say columns, and let us just copy this one and just paste it here. Now let us change the names to data frame. Let us keep the first one as same. Let us change this one. Suppose for time being, let us just keep on adding few extra numbers here and there. And the columns will be x, y, z. No, v, w, x, y, z. W, x, y, and z. Shift enter. df2. Okay, so we have got a column. We have got data frame 2 and data frame 1 here. Now suppose I want to merge this both data frames, right? So how can I do that? So df3 is equals to pd dot shift I'm really sorry, pd dot merge in bracket df1 comma df2 comma. Now let me tell you about right on and left on, right? So right on will be shift on equals to. Now right on means the second one. So second one, what we have common, v, right? So v. Okay, comma left on. It is used to align, I guess. Left on will have a, right? A. Okay, it has run successfully. Yup, it has merged. As you can see, here it has merged both the values, but there is one thing I don't get. Okay, 1 and 24. Oh wait, 1, 3, 34, 5, 54, 3. Wait a minute, backspace, 24 and 34. Shift enter, where is it? Shift enter. Yep, now it has merged everything perfectly because I had changed few values in a second data frame, so it did not match other rows, and the rows it did not match, it did not show. But now that I have matched everything, it has matched with, here you can say A and V have same, column A and column V have same values, right? So they have matched the data and applied everything. So that's all I learned today. Thank you.